tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the bamboo offset stitch. It's a really beautiful and textured. So it's basically a 2-row repeat. It's really easy. So let's get started. And I'm using my Furls Ebony Tunisian crochet hook in 7mm, and I'm using my Furls Wander yarn. I'm going to link to the materials in my description. So basically, first we are going to chain multiple of 4 plus 4. So let's do 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then I'm just going to do a foundation row, and I have a separate tutorial for how to do the foundation row. Basically, you're just going into the back bumps and yarn over and then pull up a loop into that bump, and you just do that all the way across. So I'm going to do that. All right. So now we're going to do a normal return pass. So yarn, chain 1, and then we are going to chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're just going to do that all the way across. All right, so the first row is basically we do a bamboo stitch and then TSS. So bamboo stitch is worked over 3 stitches. So what we're going to do is yarn over, and then we're going to do 3 simple stitches. So TSS 1, 2, 3, and then we take that yarn over and we pull it over the 3 vertical bars. All right, and then we're going to repeat that pattern, bamboo stitch and then TSS. So into the next one we're just doing a simple stitch, yarn over for the next bamboo stitch, simple stitch 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to take that yarn over and pull it over the 3 stitches, and then again TSS, and then yarn over 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to pull that yarn over these 3 stitches, and then another simple stitch, and then yarn over, and then 1, 2, and then work that last stitch. And then we are going to pull this yarn over the 3 vertical bars, and here we have the first row of the offset bamboo stitch. And then we're going to do our normal return pass. So chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way across. And then the next row is we're going to start with Tunisian simple stitch 2, so 1, 2, and then we are going to work the bamboo stitch into the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, simple stitch, simple stitch, simple stitch, and then we're just going to take our yarn over and pull it over the 3 stitches, and then TSS into the next one, yarn over for the next bamboo stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna just pull the yarn over there, and then another TSS, and then yarn over for the next bamboo stitch, and then 1, 2, 3, until we get to the last 2 stitches, and then we are just gonna work 2 simple stitches into the last 2 stitches. So simple stitch, and then we're just gonna chain 1, do our normal return pass here again, and we just repeat this pattern to work the offset bamboo stitch, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. This is what it looks like here, but I'll show you a swatch that I was working on earlier. This is what it looks like. And this stitch is actually from Tunisian Crochet Stitch Dictionary by AKLori Harrison Designs. I'm going to link to her book as well in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I think this would create beautiful texture. Yep, and I'll be sharing more stitches from her book that called out to me. I really love this one. I have a separate tutorial for just the bamboo stitch that you can watch, but this is how you do the offset bamboo stitch. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.